The AI you first met only worked with text. You type words, it types words back. But ask a newer model to look at a photo, read a screenshot, or listen to a clip, and it can. These are called multimodal models. Let's break down what that actually means. Start with the word. A modality is just a type of data. Text is one modality, image is another, then audio, then video. A model that handles only one is unimodal. A multimodal model handles more than one, and crucially, it can often combine them, reasoning about text and an image together rather than treating them separately. Here's the limit it removes. A text-only model can't truly see your picture. At best, someone has to describe it in words first. A multimodal model takes the image itself as input. It's the difference between telling someone what's in a photo and simply handing them the photo. Same idea for audio and video. So how does one model handle such different inputs? The trick? Everything gets converted into the same internal form. Essentially, long lists of numbers the model can process. An image is encoded into that form, audio into that form, text into that form. Once they all speak this shared numeric language, a single model can reason across them together. Different senses, one representation. What does this unlock? It can describe and analyze a photo, read a document, receipt, or handwriting, interpret a chart or diagram, answer questions about what's in an image, transcribe and understand speech, and follow what's happening in a video. Some models can also generate across modalities, producing an image or audio, not just text. The real power isn't any single sense, it's fusing them. Show it a chart and ask, what's wrong here? Photograph a foreign menu and ask what to order. Point a camera at a broken appliance and ask what the part is called. These tasks need vision and language at the same time. They're also a huge step for accessibility, describing the visual world for people who can't see it. One distinction worth getting right. Many models can take images or audio in, but still only respond in text. That's already multimodal. A smaller, newer group is any-to-any, able to take in and produce multiple modalities, like answering with a generated image or spoken audio. So, multimodal doesn't automatically mean it can create everything it can perceive. And the familiar caution carries over, now to images too. A multimodal model can misread a picture, miscount objects, invent details that aren't there, or misjudge fine spatial relationships, all while sounding completely sure. It doesn't perceive the way you do, it's still pattern matching, just over more kinds of data. It also inherits the same biases from its training. More senses don't mean more truth. Why does this matter? It moves AI away from being a text box and towards something that perceives the world more like we do, through several senses at once. That's the foundation for assistants that can look at your screen, your documents, or your camera and actually help with what's in front of you, not just what you can describe in words. So, a multimodal LLM is one model that works across text, images, audio, and video by turning them all into a shared internal representation it can reason over together. It's a big leap in capability, with the same trust caveats as before, now extended to more senses. Keep that balance in mind, and multimodal AI stops sounding like magic and starts making sense. If this helped, subscribe. The series keeps going, one AI idea at a time.